Hello everyone, welcome again. Cameron here from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. Check out this beautiful 2019 Jeep Renegade Limited we have in the lot. It's a very nice piece. It's a good choice if you don't want a full-size SUV and you don't want a sedan. So this compact SUV is going to make up for the middle ground between the two. Hitch wiring is already there. Obviously it's a Jeep, so you know your 4x4 system is miraculous. Wide exterior, black interior, 8.4-inch touchscreen. The car is lightweight, it's not too heavy, so the pickup is really fast on it. The engine is small, so your gas consumption is amazing. Overall, a very nice piece if you don't want a full-size SUV like I mentioned. Let's see the inside. Alright guys, check out this interior. It's really different from all the other Jeeps that we have. It has its own taste and its own design. Automatic headlights are there. Your power seat for the driver is there. Obviously leather seating all the way around. The 8.4-inch touchscreen I was talking to you about is right here. Also, it's equipped with navigation, and obviously you have your backup camera there as well. Your Jeep's select terrain 4x4 system is there as well. So winter, summer, gravel, sand, nothing is stopping you. USB outlets, power outlets, your shifter in the middle, your parking brake, and your digital cluster display. Cruise control and audio control on the steering wheel, and also you have a really nice moonroof. It's a really nice piece and there's a lot into it. Come check it out at 900 St-Laurent Boulevard. Ask for Cameron or give me a shout at 613-745-7051, extension 1108. Thanks for watching everyone.